day 2, here we go. You up, Ants?
Yep.
Now, yesterday, the seafood supermarket delivered our shellfish. Today, we're hoping Great Barrier will deliver up our red fin fish, at least a couple of species. For this, we're headed to the northern end of the island, where hopefully we'll find a couple of scorpions. The fishy version, that is. Get that going, mate.
Right.
See what little red delights are down there. And we don't have to wait long. Oh, yeah? It's not very big. Is this the colour we're after? Here it comes. What have we got? Snapper! Little panny. All right. How you going, Ants?
That's something myself.
It's amazing the way that snapper can transform their colours depending on where they are. So when they're out and open and over the sand, they often go quite light in colour, but when they move in around the rocks and weed, they go really dark to sort of camouflage and blend in. Lucky day, buddy. Back you go. Oh, is this what we've been looking for? Yes! A granddaddy harpooker or scorpion fish. These are crazy little predators. You hardly see them when you're diving down deep. They sit right hard up against the rock and blend right in. But believe it or not, these are fantastic eating. Oh, you've got another one. Oh, look, and I've got his cousin. This is another colourful little red fish. Now, these are actually different, believe it or not. We call this sort of a lot of people call this a jock Stewart. I think it's a type of banded perch. And you've got the real deal there, mate. That is the scorpion fish.
Look at that.
Right colour.